Assalomu alaykum, hurmatli yurtdoshlar. Mana bugun biz Dombit nomi bilan tanilgan Langapex maktabiga tashrif buyurdik va bugun sizlarga maktabni tanishtirmoqchimiz. Maktab ma'muriyati bizga hech qanday tayyorgarliksiz to'g'ridan-to'g'ri tasvirga tushirishimizni aytishdi va biz bunga rozi bo'ldik. Demak, ketdik.
Good morning. Welcome to our school.
Oh, good morning. Hi. I was wondering if I could have a tour to the school today.
That's fine, but before you move on, can you have a little check for security reasons?
Of course, yes. Oh, that's
Oh, what do you have in your pocket?
that's my phone here.
Oh, we don't allow phones inside the school. Can you leave it here?
Of course, yes. There you
Yeah.
go.
You can take it back when you are leaving. Is that fine?
Sure.
Now you can come in. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. That's so nice. Mana hozir biz Langapex maktabi ichkarisidamiz. Sinf xonalari, keng bo'yoqroq yo'lak. Va juda ham qiziq, maktab hududida barcha bilan iloji boricha faqat ingliz tilida muloqot qilishga harakat qilishingiz kerak va maktab hududida umuman telefon vositalaridan foydalanish mumkin emas. Looks like we are right on time for. Is it the second lesson now or the first? It's a break time. Okay, so you finished the first lesson now? Okay. Oh, hi. Oh, I see. It's a break time now. The students are coming out. Hello. Mana biz hozir binoning ikkinchi qavatidamiz va birinchi duch kelgan xonaga kirib ko'ramiz.
What is sun? Do you know nuclear bombs? Yes. For example, atomic bomb. Like in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, right? Little man and fat man. Freezing. This is boiling. This is yes. This is liquid. Condensation. So we have 8 kind of changing states. In solid, particles have not energy in their pockets, right? For what? For changing states. Energy in a atomic process. We can take or we can get energy in exothermic process, right? What is temperature?
Is a state of the liquid. Is a measure of energy. Temperature is the movement of atom.
Yes.
Endi keyingi xonamiz, kelinglar biologiya darsiga kirib ko'ramiz.
Mitochondria inside has this stuff. Can you see? Chromatin. What is the function of the mitochondria?
It's release
Release what?
energy.
Energy from
sugar.
Exactly. Cellulose, right? Cellulose makes energy. Okay, now let's come back. Vacuole. And can we say that vacuole is present only in the plant cells? Yes. The function. Who wants to mention? Okay.
Packing the energy and
Energy. Lipids, proteins, and biomolecules.
biomolecules and
So, find the information. Wait, what was organ? Organ of what? Animals. What is the difference then between organ and organ? Organs. Cells. Meaning, interesting. So, we had one that organelle. This lysosome broke it down. And what happens? Remember, right? These are only animated pictures. In real life, they don't have color. Oh, really? Good. We will also see some tests. Please remove your book and notebook. Please correct your test. Student's name must be written. Class must be written. And then, there are 10 questions.
So you guys can ask a question during the test?
Sorry. Mana hozir biz maktabning asosiy binosidan chiqdik. Endi keyingi manzilga. Va davom etamiz. Endi keyingi darsimiz demak rus tili. Ketdik.
Детский игрушки. Так. Her in Russian. Без тебя. Без себя не слышу. Чай.
Bu yerda barcha darslar ingliz tilida o'tiladi. Faqatgina rus tili va ona tilidan tashqari. Rus tilida olib borilib, bu ham yana bir til ko'nikmasini rivojlantirishga yordam beradi.
Случка. Сосиска. Сниза. Так, теперь глаголы, да? Word. Что есть? In English it would be past simple and past continuous, yeah? In Russian it's always прошедшее время. That's are they the same? Я открываю. Закрой. Они одинаковые. Они все одинаковые. Вот так вот все находишь и отгадываешь слово. Дальше. И 7.
Sorry, what are you doing?
Мы сейчас делаем кроссворд, и кто первый напишет, доделает балл.
Sorry, how do you do this?
Тут написано D1. Вот находим D и находим 1. Это будет го. Го. И тут G7. Г и 7. Скоро го. И тут G7. Находим Г, находим 7. Скоро Г. Я закончил.
Can you show that please?
Да.
Oh, I see. Well done. Thank you.
Спасибо вам тоже.
Thank you too. Keyingisi demak ona tili xonasi ekan, demak ona tili darsiga ketdik.
Haqiqat, rost deb gapirishdi. Hop, erkingizda ellar degan so'z bor. Ellar. Qo'shindoshlar, qo'shindosh. Qadorindosh, qani kelib aytadi. Qadorindosh qachon keladi va qanday holatlarda keladi? Qani?
Ungli va undosh bitta bo'g'inda kelib qoldi.
Bir bo'g'inda kelib qolsa, baxt nima yo'q? Asos. Tushundingizmi? Baxt asos. Shuning uchun. Shular o'tgan mavzu hammaga tushunarlimi? Bemalol topa olamizmi? Hop. Undosh harf bilan tugasa, undosh harf bilan tugasa yopiq bo'ladi. Rafchi yopiq. Tushunarli? Agar yana qaytaraman. Narsa emas. Ona si bo'lmaslik. Bir tovushni foydalangan yer, sh harfli birikmalar alohida harflarga ajratilmaydi.
Ona tili va adabiyoti darslarida grammatika qoidalari va o'tilishi kerak bo'lgan kitoblardan tashqari turli xil adabiyotlarni vazifa qilib berilishi va ularning muhokama qilinishi menga juda yoqdi. Chunki ular kitoblarni o'qishni vazifa qilib berishni o'zi bilan cheklanmay, o'qishganini tekshirib, hamma bilan fikr almashishar ekan. Menimcha bu o'quvchilarning ilmiy salohiyatlarini kuchaytirish bilan birga, ularning dunyoqarashlarini kengaytirishda ham katta yordam beradi.
Ulardan uzoqlashib, formalarimizga qo'l bilmasligimizga qismdan qism zavqdan uzoqlashish
qo'ygandan keyin u qurol bo'lsin deb tayyorlab ketuvdi, lekin qo'ygandan keyin kichkina o'g'li Jahongirni ayasi, ya'ni Boburni o'g'il onasi Bekni chaqirib, Boburni yomonlik qilib, Jahongirni narsaga taxtga chiqarasan deb buyurdi.
Qilganlarimdan bittasi bu boylar va qimorlar haqida farqini ko'rsatdi. Ko'p mablag' beradigan ishda ishlashmaydi va o'zlarini biznesdan qo'shadi. I agree. Fine.
Guys, did you learn the words?
Electron means negative.
Yes, electron means negative mood. Proton means positive mood. If you use your negative mood, you will be positive. Positive.
Yes.
Okay. Did you understand what I mean? What's energy, guys?
It's everything which moves things.
For example, battery. It cannot move, but it has energy.
We can take energy from burn.
What kind of energy we can take?
All types. Or
No.
this is chemical.
Only for this.
Chemical energy. Thermal
Not nuclear energy.
Chemical energy.
Thermal. Thermal. It means heat energy.
From
Fuel. Fuel, gas, and
yes, in general.
this lesson we will learn mechanical energy. And I think you know mechanical energy divided into two groups. The first, the height of the table is equal to, let's say, 1 meter. And also on the table there is a box, and it has 2 kilograms. I mean, its mass is 2 kilograms. This box potential energy, it means PE, is 0.
Yes, because
How about this one? Maximum.
maximum high, it has a potential, and after they falling, it has a kinetic.
Matematika fani ham juda ham muhim. Keling endi shu darsni ham kirib ko'ramiz.
Can you remember this? Yes. No problem? Okay, but this is a simple example. And the difference is 0. And we found the quotient, and it is 16. No problem? 6 carats each. Money by did they get for 1 bunch of carrots? So you divide 280 by 40. Then I need some volunteers to solve them at the board.
O'quvchilarning bilim darajasi turli xil ekanini hisobga olgan holda, avval ularning bilimlaridagi kamchiliklarni eng oddiy qismlarigacha e'tibor bilan erinmay to'ldirib chiqilayotgani ham menga juda yoqdi.
You can do as you also correct. You also take one as others. Cut from main. Yes. Yeah. If you change the order of the factors, the product doesn't change. Instead of multiplying 4 by 8, then by 25, and then by 125. If we group them, for example, we will first multiply 4 by 25. It's gonna be 100. And then we will multiply 8 by 125. Then it's gonna be 1000. Now it's easier to multiply 100 by 1000.
Hozir kechki soat 7:30, lekin Langapex maktabida hali ham o'quvchilar bor va ular ayni paytda kutubxonalarda o'z darslarini qilishmoqda. Langapex maktabida darslar kechki soat 4 yoki 5 da tugaydi, lekin o'quvchilar soat 9 gacha qolib kutubxonalarda o'z vazifalarini qilishlari mumkin. Shunday kech vaqtda ham o'quvchilar uyga ketmay kutubxonada o'tirib dars qilishlariga asosiy sabab ikkita. Birinchisi, kutubxonada juda tinch va sokin ekanligi, chunki kutubxonada umuman gapirish mumkin emas. Va ikkinchisi, kutubxonada doim o'qituvchilar bo'lishi va o'quvchilar uy vazifalarida agar muammolarga duch kelishadigan bo'lsa, o'qituvchilar har doim yordam berishga tayyor ekanligi. Biz bu videoda maktabning shart-sharoitlarini ko'rsatish bilan sizni vaqtingizni olmaslikka qaror qildik. Chunki yaxshi sharoitsiz yaxshi natija chiqmasligi aniq. Shuning uchun asosiy e'tiborni ta'lim sifati va dars jarayonlariga qaratdik. Xulosa o'rnida shuni aytish mumkinki, garchi maktab boshlanganiga hali bir oy to'lib-to'lmagan bo'lsa ham, o'quvchilarning harakati va ulardagi o'zgarish juda ham zo'r. Va hozir ulardan katta kashfiyot yoki ilmiy darajani kutishni o'zi mantiqsizlik. Chunki bu bir oylik natija xolos. Va umid qilamizki, ularning hozirgi harakati va ularga ko'rsatilayotgan e'tibor kelgusidagi ulkan muvaffaqiyatlarga poydevor bo'ladi.